Wondering how to send fax from your email without any subscription or registration? Our eFaxing add-on can help you to send fax directly from Gmail, Gdrive, GDoc, GSheet in just few steps. Well, the first step is to go to Google Workspace Marketplace and install our eFaxing add-on. Once you've installed the add-on, it should appear on the right-hand panel of your Gmail homepage. Next step is to enter your correct fax number with appropriate country code. Click on Fax using eFaxing app. This will open a new message box which will optionally allow you to fill in your sender details. Make sure to attach your fax document either in PDF or in Word format, and then hit on send. The second step is to get a follow-up mail on the same thread with the payment link. Please click on the payment link to proceed to the payment page. Once you reach the payment page, please verify the number of files and the number of pages before proceeding to the payments. Even though the amount is shown in USDs, you will be charged only in your local currency without any additional charges. Upon successful completion of your payments, your fax will be sent immediately. For any additional queries or issues, please reach out to our support email. Thank you.